Buy the dip on this Air Jordan 1 now while you still can. Sole Premise makes high quality bags for sneakerheads when they travel. Let me show you guys the features of this Sole Premise backpack. One of my favorite parts about the Sole Premise bags is that they have a spot for my MacBook. So when I'm on the go, I put my computer in there, I'm good to go. They also have plenty of space for my sneakers. So I have a pair of Yeezys chilling and a pair of Jordan 1s there as well. Plenty of other space in the backpack as well. They also have some front zippers as well for some space. And check this out, on the side of the bag, they have a hidden compartment for some more space as well. Sole Premise has different types of bags, so whether you're looking for a backpack on the go, whether you're looking for a bag to travel with, maybe a bag with some wheels on it, Sole Premise has different types of bags, different types of colors. You're going to find a bag that you're going to love, I guarantee it. Be sure to check my link down below in the description. Click that link and be sure to use my discount code Danny Moore for 40% off your order from SolePremise.com. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. What's up, guys? If you love sneakers, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Hitting that thumbs up really does help the channel grow. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Today, we're going to take a look at a pair of Air Jordan 1s you need to buy now because the dip is here. The dip has finally came. Buy this Jordan 1 now while you still can because this Jordan 1 is going guaranteed to go up in price and they're going to be very expensive. So you want to buy this Jordan 1 now while you still can. I want to let you guys know about the giveaway going on the channel for the Jordan 1 University Blue. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, be sure to give me a follow on Instagram at DannyMoore2369. Leave a comment down below and then DM me proof that you did everything. That will be your giveaway entry. I'm giving away this pair of University Blues for completely free in a few weeks' time, so be sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and get your entry in. The Jordan 1 in this box has dipped in price. The dip is here. Buy these Jordan 1s now while you still can, while they're still a little affordable. They are expensive, but they're going to become more expensive as time goes on. Guys, the dip is here on this beautiful pair of Air Jordan 1s. They have actually had another release yesterday, which was crazy. A lot of people took some really nice W's. The Hyper Royals, guys. Buy them now. The dip is officially here. They have gone down in price since release. They were at around $440, $450. They have now been dropping. They're at around $340, $350 depending on size. This is a great hold. And the fact that this Jordan 1 was $450 proves that they will go to $550 guaranteed. This is a beautiful Air Jordan 1, a very wearable Jordan 1, a lot of people's favorite Jordan 1 of the year, one of the most hyped releases of the entire year. Guys, it's a no-brainer at this point. Buy the dip now because it is here. Make sure you buy them while you still can, while they're still at around that $350 price point. I do see them going up, like I said, to $550, and I don't think it's going to take too long. I do see them being maybe closer to a year hold. However, it's worth it. If you have a bunch of pairs, totally worth it. I see them going up to $450 in less than a year, without a doubt in my mind, and then maybe about a year and a half to around that $500 price point. Guys, buy them. Buy the dip now while you still can because this Jordan 1 is clean. It's as simple as that. The colorway is clean. They're very wearable. Grade School is going to do numbers as well, so go buy yourself some Grade School pairs. Invest in pairs if you can. If you have capital, go buy pairs. Invest money into these. They will be totally worth your investment. If you have some pairs that you're sitting on that you caught for retail, hold them. If you don't need the money, if you could afford to hold. If you cannot afford to hold, do not hold them. Go get your quick flip and take your money, put it back into shoes, build your capital, and then start doing holds. This is a very good hold in my personal opinion. If you can get them for under $350, that's even better. Try to find them locally. Try to pay $320. A lot of resellers know that they're gonna go up in price, so it might be hard to get them for that $320. You should be good, no problem, at around $330, $340. That extra 20 bucks, people do want it, so I would recommend copping and holding on to pairs. All sizes will do good. Bigger sizes will do a little bit better. That's how it's been with your Jordan 1s recently. So bigger sizes a little bit more, but all sizes are good when it comes to the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1. Be sure to cop them now, guys. The dip is officially here. The release is pretty much over at this point. There might be another type of restock release here and there pop up, but for the most part, stock is out. Stock is out there, pairs are out there, and people have them. People are wearing them. A lot of people are sitting on pairs. A lot of people are selling pairs. So go out there, go cop pairs. This is a clean Jordan 1 that will do numbers. It will do numbers. Take a look at the Turbo Green Jordan 1s that we all know is similar to this, but the Turbo Greens were a long hold, a very long hold. It took a while for them to go up. I don't see that happening nearly as long with this sneaker. Definitely not. Definitely not. The Turbo Greens, I feel like a lot of people didn't like them, and now that they're so expensive, people want them. However, with this sneaker, I think a lot of people just want them in general, and the hype will continue to be there. It will drop over time, like normal. We get new releases, but this Jordan 1 is going to stand out for this year. The Hyper Royals, as well as the University Blues, will stand out for this year here in 2021 as some of the best Jordan 1 releases, some of the best Jordan 1 holds, and sneaker holds of the entire year. So go out there, go buy some pairs. Prices are not going to get any lower for the most part. Maybe another $10 or $20, that's about it. And prices will be steady for a little bit, and then they will go up with due time. It's guaranteed. This is a very dope Jordan 1. Very wearable, very clean, and I know a lot of you want them. So if you want to win a pair of Air Jordan 1 Hyper Royals, be sure to give me a follow on Instagram. The details will be there very soon. You can win some Hyper Royals from me. With that being said, let me know what you guys think about the Hyper Royals down below in the comments. Let me know if you agree. Is the dip here? Do you think they'll drop more? How fast do you think they're going to go up in price? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. It's a great hold. Just a really good overall Jordan 1. And you really can't go wrong with the colorway, the color blocking. And it's just a dope, clean pair of Jordan 1s that will go up. Go buy them now. Buy the dip while it is here for the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1. I want to let you guys know what I have going on Instagram. I feel like you guys would totally appreciate this here on YouTube. So right in front of me I have University Blues and Mochas. Right now, currently, this is sold out. I do have the Mocha still available right now. I want to let you guys know about what's going on here. So, I am selling stickers. Buying stickers gets you a chance at winning these hype sneakers for very cheap. So be sure to give me a follow on Instagram. And then if you're interested, you can buy a sticker or multiple stickers and get a chance of winning these hype exclusive sneakers for very, very cheap. This is the best way for me to do it. You buy a sticker, so everyone's going to receive a sticker, and then someone is going to win these sneakers. I keep spots extremely limited, so you have very good odds of winning, and you're going to win, as you can see, some very hype exclusive sneakers. Tonight, I'll be running the winner for these, and then currently we have the Mochas going on, and as I get more hype sneakers, some other Jordan 1s, Union 4s, I have a bunch of sneakers I'm going to do this with, so be sure to give me a follow on Instagram if you're interested and would like to win some hype sneakers for very cheap. Be sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know if you agree with me or you disagree with me with the Hyper Royals. When do you think they'll go up in price? How long do you think it'll take? And what price do you see them going to? Leave a comment down below, let me know. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind, we're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.